Hey guys, what's up? Logan here. Welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be making slime. I don't think I've done slime in a while, because this is probably make this too watered, but whatever. So yeah, this is going to be like a Christmas slime. It's just me green. And sorry, this workspace is messed up. Sorry. So yeah, let's get started. This is what it looks like right now. We'll do a couple poke tests. So I think I'm going to break some of this off and go do something, so I'll be right back. Alright, so these are the two slimes that I've made, or that I just made. So this one. This one's a little bit sticky, but I don't want to overactivate it. So I think it's perfect. And then I made this one, which is from the same batch, but I put some of this in it that I had left over, the water gel. So yeah, that is my Christmas slime type thing. It looks teal, because it is kind of teal. So I don't even think I'll call it Christmas, I'll just call it slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you don't. Comment down below what you want to see. Subscribe if you want to see when I post. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.